Imagine I'm 13 years old and I call my dad to give me a ride to the Florida Museum of Natural History. And casually, me and my friend get in the car and put a paper shopping bag in the back of the station wagon. He doesn't think much of it. He drives us to the museum. My buddy Paul and I and my dad go down to the basement with this little paper bag, and I set it on the desk of this guy way down in the bottom of the museum. He says, "Is that it?" And I nod, and he takes out these giant tongs and takes a hold of this bag very gently and puts it inside this huge glass safety container and then gently tips it over, and out comes a 3.5 foot coral snake. For those of you guys not from Central Florida, where reptiles are plentiful, you might not know that that is the most venomous snake in North America. And at 3.5 feet, this was a gigantic specimen. The fella's jaw drops open when he realizes this 13-year-old kid on the phone wasn't full of it. And my dad kind of goes a little white, thinking, was this snake casually in a paper bag in the back of the station wagon? Well, fast forward, me and my buddy Paul decide we're going to go into the snake catching business. Rattlesnakes, cottonmouths, copperheads, and of course, coral snakes. My mom, not a fan of this idea, and she finally talks me out of it through quality bribery. I negotiate what I call snake allowance. She pays me $15 a week so that I don't catch snakes. Now, what does this have to do with business profitability? Snake allowance, or the idea of getting paid to not do something, or not do something dumb, or not do something poisonous or toxic, is exactly the metaphor for this presentation. What I want to share with you is how to improve your company by releasing the snakes that you already have in your organization and to stop catching more snakes.